Navigation video disassembly method. Put the cover of the small stereo up first, and then twist off these two little screws. And then take off this little monitor. Pull out the navigation display screen. I can clearly see the cable behind me now. Thanks to Master Zhu for demonstrating for us. Navigation video connection method. GPS antenna, 4G antenna, radio antenna, USB cable, video recorder line, navigation video line, decoder line, this is the X input line. Finally, connect the main line of power supply. Now demonstrate installation method. First of all, install the air conditioner outlet. Press the display screen directly. Attach trim strip. Install a small display. Cover the decorative cover. Installation is complete and perfect.